Do you like Playa Duque? Yeah. This is Playa del Duque in Tenerife, and it's luxurious with its restaurants, its hotels, and its shopping. And did I mention the beach flanked down there by the castle with its turquoise waters and this cream colored sand. Oh, it's a sunny day in Tenerife. I'm loving it. Today we are gonna power walk our way up from Playa de las Américas to Playa del Duque, this little slice of a beach, golden sand, surrounded by luxurious hotels and restaurants that few tourists know about. And stick around until the end of the video because I'm gonna give you all the logistics, the time it takes for the walk, and everything you need to know. Now let's get going. Going north on the west coast of Tenerife on the Costa Adeje, to get to Playa del Duque, you're gonna pass several beaches. Starting with Playa del Troya. And Playa Troya 2, it's more secluded. It's my preferred Troya beach. If you have to choose one, I would go with this one. The small and beautiful Playa El Bulbo, where it's pretty secluded now, but you can imagine once the sun comes out here in a couple hours, it's gonna be packed. Playa La Pinta, you see that right down there, beautiful. People are starting to sunbathe. And over there, Tierra, which is a much needed coffee stop. Oh, that's better, and it's hot. Oh, too hot, too hot. Okay, let's go. Overall in that place, Tierra, 7 out of 10. Quality, it was low, 3 out of 10. Value, €2 for the flat white, 8 out of 10. Vibe, great view out there. Made a bit worse by the long, about 25-minute wait for coffee. And the beaches continue. This is Playa Torviscas, black sands, plenty of loungers to chill out on, but we continue to the more popular Playa Fania Bay. And this is Playa del Duque. It's a 200-meter long stretch that goes from the castle over there all the way down to a restaurant down that way. And right away you notice a difference because it's flanked by luxury restaurants, hotels, and shopping. Now what makes this beach special is that you can pretty much swim all year around. Even on a day like today when the waves are a bit rough, you see people out there and enjoying the day. It's a blue flag beach, which means it's always kept clean, always pristine, and lifeguards are always on duty. It's got this clay, cream-colored sand and those turquoise waters that everybody loves in Tenerife. Are you not into bathing on the beach and soaking in the sun? Well, if you're up for a bit of an adventure, those cliffs out there are perfect for taking a dive into the water. You won't catch me doing it today, but if you're up for it, you can do it. Walk out there to the edge and take the dive. I saw some young boys out there doing it earlier and they were having a heck of a time. Now, if you want a sunbed or a good spot on the beach, I advise you get here before 10 a.m. because even on a cloudy day like today, you can see the beach is filling up quickly. The beach gets pretty crowded around midday and goes, oh, look at those waves. The beach gets pretty crowded around midday and stays that way all throughout the evening because this place is a great place for a sunset. And off in the distance you have a view of the Gomera Island, and when the sun goes down, it's spectacular. Playa del Duque is open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Now, like everywhere in Spain, there are free places to lounge on the beach. Just bring down your towel, put it down on the sand, and chill out. Now, if you prefer the sunbeds, well, there are those too. And here at Playa del Duque, there are plenty of options. Many beds, loungers to suit everybody's needs. I mean, we're talking January, and this water is great. Everybody's out swimming and enjoying the day. Ha ha ha, this is Spain. This is Tenerife out in the Canary Island. Yeah, it feels good. Now what I like in Spain at all the beaches, there are always plenty of places to wash the sand off your feet. In Italy they charge you, they're always at those private beach bed locations. There's never a place around where you can wash the sand off. Now if you get tired of the beach, which I don't know why you would, there's plenty of shopping to be had just steps away from the beach all these little cool shops in here. And further afield in a massive shopping center up above, it's Duque Plaza. And that's somewhere where we can go and escape, especially if it's too hot out there. You can get into the air conditioning and chill out. And if you're hungry, there are plenty of options. Italian food, Japanese food, and Spanish food. Everything you want if you want to feast. However, I have a place in mind back in Playa del Américas, and I'm heading there now. Look at these two chicas I just found here. They're Playa del Duque, what do you think?
We're exploring, still exploring. Like and subscribe.
This is the place, Flo's Kitchen in Playa del Américas, just near my Airbnb. I was here last time in December. So much healthy good food, smoothies, wraps. What's on order today? Falafel. I got my falafel coming in and a fruit smoothie. I mean, there are plenty of good places down along the beach here in Playa del Américas. A lot of seafood places, but they're overrun with tourists, and many of those are touristy places. This place is authentic, and the owner's got a great and fun attitude. Ta-da! Look at that, look at that. And this. Now let's talk about the logistics for getting out to Playa del Duque, and you should do it. The reason I like it is because it's a great walk from Playa del Américas all the way up there. You take it slow and easy. It's gonna take you about 1 hour walking all along the seaside, taking a lot of photos along the way, and maybe stopping for a coffee like I did. I would do what I didn't do today. Take off early and make the walk and get up there by 10 o'clock, spend a little bit of time on the beach, and then hit up one of those restaurants and do a little bit of shopping, or just walk around all the cool shops there at Playa del Duque. That thing is a little slice of luxury here on the Costa Adeje, and I like it, and I think you'll like it too. Let's try it. Here we go.
Oh, here we go again.
Here we go again.
Here we go again.
This is the falafel wrap at Flo's Kitchen. I love it. 10 out of 10. Good vibe here and great atmosphere, just steps away from the beach.